Today we are going to be talking about these Makeup Revolution foundation. I forgot what they're called now. But I grabbed this a while back, but I haven't actually had time to film it. I did film it, actually, lie. I filmed it, but I didn't like it, so I thought I'd do it again for you guys. So wearing this foundation, it was a doddle. Actually, it was quite easy because I got my shade F14 and F13. Again, I went on their website and tried to look for the shades that I thought would be closest. I mean, that looked very close to my skin tone, and I decided that mixing these bad boys would get my perfect match. So coverage with this, it's good. It's buildable because as you can see in this video, I've put quite a light layer, and it's covered everything, and it just looks very natural. And I feel that if I do build this up, it will be buildable, and it can give me a high coverage. I would say for colour match, it's actually good to mix these two together. I find that F14 will be a little bit too dark for me, and F13 will be too light, so mixing these two for me, I can get my perfect shade. I do hate mixing two colours, but because these two, I believe are actually £6, so it's not really that bad to get two. I would prefer to have been able to find one stick that I can use on my face, but again, it's something that it's a good price bargain for something that's very high coverage. I would say for durability, I've actually worn this makeup for the whole day today, and I've gone to I've actually had a photo shoot today, and I've worn it, and I've gone on the underground. If you live in London, you know how horrible and hot it is on the underground in the summer, so this bad boy has actually stayed in place. I have gotten a little bit oily, which has meant that I've actually had to touch up my face, but I think maybe it's, I don't know, I would say expected really, because you're going in the heat and then you're going in the underground and it gets really hot in there. Just think that this foundation is really good. I know it's really late for me to do this review. I know a lot of people have done it, and but I just thought I should give my own 2 cents about this foundation. For weather resistant, I would say it's not really that weatherproof, because of the fact that when I went on the underground and I went out and then it was windy, and then I moved from different sort of weather transitions, I got a little bit oily, not a little, but really quite oily, so I had to like touch on my face, and that's not really quite good, but it's okay really, I think. I don't know, actually it's not okay, because maybe this is not really a foundation for oily skin, I don't know. I had food and it smudged a little bit when I was eating, but I would say for £6 foundation, it's alright, isn't it? Like, you've actually had to spend, like, if you've tried 20, I don't know, like a high-end foundation or something, and it smudges and it doesn't keep up with you, then that's a high-end foundation. But for £6, I think that's okay. It's not that bad really. £6 is less than a cocktail in London. Shh. Sorry. I get really excited about stupid shit. Actually, transfer resistant, let's do that right now. I would say it's not transfer resistant because when I was eating food, I was wiping my face and lipstick went on my chin, and then it really just moved when I just touched it with the napkin at the restaurant place. So I would say transfer resistant. It's not really good, but I would do the test for you so you guys can see what I'm having to deal with. But I would say for a £6 foundation, it's not that bad. It's really really good. It keeps up to a certain degree, but it's not extremely like groundbreaking news and, like, you know, breaking the budget and all that. What can I say? Yeah, life-changing foundation. It's not a life-changing foundation, but for £6, I would say that's not that bad. So as per usual, I'm just gonna use this cotton pad and just dab it on my face and see. Yeah, look at that. Just like around my nose area, which is where I get most oily. There's a little bit on the cotton pad. I'm just gonna go on my forehead as well, which is one of the other bits as well that I tend to get very oily. I was just about to go there to do that. And then I go on my chin area. Again, there's a little smudge on the good old cotton pad. But I would say like it's £6 really. It's not that bad. You have actually, if you for example spend quite a lot of money on high-end foundation, doesn't really keep up with you, I would say it's for a £6 foundation, it's good, but it's not groundbreaking good. So let me give you my scores actually. So for coverage, I'm gonna give this a 4 because I feel using it that is very buildable. I've not built it up, so I'm just gonna give it a 4 for coverage. For colour match, I'm a bit disappointed because I can't use one stick to get my perfect shade, so I'm gonna give this a 3 for colour match. For durability, I'm gonna give this a 3 as well, because I did get oily and I did, yeah. And for weather resistance, which is sort of durability, I'm gonna give it a 2.5 because again, broke out in a heap of oil around my T-zone area. And for transfer proof, I'm gonna give it a 3 because it isn't that bad really for £6 foundation. Overall score for this Makeup Revolution one is a 3. I think altogether it's a £6 foundation. It's not that bad. It's not groundbreaking foundation, but for £6 it's really good. It's up there with one of the good performers. But yeah, that's my thoughts on this. And again, sorry if this is very negative, because I just thought I'd just give my honest opinion because people are raving about this, and I just thought, yeah, I've used it and it's not that good. So but yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like or thumbs up this video. Look at that, my thumb is like gotten down. Thumbs up this video, and don't forget to comment in the comment section below, and yeah, and subscribe, help to support my channel. And also go ahead and check out my pictures on Instagram, because so you can see this foundation in action. And also, yes, I think that's it really. I shall see you soon. Bye.